to make a whiskey sour. Now this drink is incredibly easy to make. You only need 3 ingredients. You will need some fresh lemon, well, the juice of fresh lemon. You'll also need some simple sugar syrup. I made this earlier in the week. Instructions on how to make it you can find in the description. And you'll also need a good quality scotch. I'm using Dimple and this is 15 years old, so I'm really looking forward to this drink today. All right, now, to make this drink, you will need a shaker filled with ice. I normally use a protein shaker, but today I'm using a jar. You can use whatever you've got at home. All right. First thing we will need to do is add 2 shots of whiskey, 1 shot of sugar syrup, 1 shot of fresh lemon juice. We're now going to shake this drink. That looks well shaken. Next, we are going to pour this into a glass with fresh ice. And you kind of want to strain it in there. We'll add a lemon twist to garnish, so get your peeler out. Give that a bit of a spritz. And then we'll just turn that around. And we'll dump that in there. And voila, we are done. This is a whiskey sour. Cheers! Happy Friday! That drink is so lovely, so refreshing. It's easy to understand why this is a popular drink, the Whisky Sour. It's been around for years and I understand why. It's quick to make, you only need minimal ingredients, and it's really refreshing. Hot tip, or cool tip, up to you. My hot tip is if you don't like incredibly strong drinks, I would add smaller ice cubes because they will melt quicker, adding that dilution to this drink. So, if you don't like strong drinks, use normal ice and let it sit there for about 5 minutes or so. That will add some extra dilution to the drink. Alright guys, that brings me to the end of my show today. So if you want to see me, Gucci, make more cocktails, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you next time.